So insects don't even sleep.
Praying mantis don't sleep.
That's crazy.
They do though. They do.
Yeah, praying mantis is one of the very few that actually do sleep. So that means most insects be up 24/7. No,
busybody.
They catch you slipping for real. Nigga, you thought you. I still like an insect.
Not get back. That's what you saying.
That's tough though. Them motherfuckers hard.
Come on, guys. Which one to make the move first? Thanks. They're like just watching each other, yo. What you doing, buddy?
There's a praying mantis too.
That's a katydid.
Huh?
Katydid.
Oh, how you know that?
Oh, got him. Oh, shh. There you go. Caught him.
They eating. They eating.
Caught him.
He got him right to the head, the neck again. That nigga don't complain.
That guy thought he was up there safe.
Caught that sucker. He's the head first. It was funny how he eat the head first.
So it eat the head first, so it don't have no fight back.
Mm-hmm.
How you eating something in the head though? That's it.
No. Here we go.
What if somebody's just showed that attack right now and just smashed the praying mantis?
That's crazy, yeah. Oh, well. Hold it?
Mm-mm.
It's all out. Rock-a-bobby. On a tree top. God. He said he flipped upside down when he caught him.
Who put your shit on again, bro? It's called Jonny. No. Boy, your music, not band lag. Bandcamp. Thank you.
What was the other one? But
Which one?
Nigga, the one that's game 8, nigga. What you mean? Which one? Is it?
That's the other one, yeah. Let's see what the ass, but yeah.
Not rocket sauce. You clearly see who get an 8 up.
That's inside. Nope, back to the show. Got.
She got out. I'm the pictures. That's how
So, baby. Dang.
They thought I was recognition. Then let's send it to her. Best start acting up. Yeah.
Nose hoes bar.
Best start acting up. You know it ain't no catching nothing. They're trying to back it up. So, they won't get back it up. They won't get back it up.
It's crazy. They done. Oh, help me. He's stunned now. He's numb. God's amazing. Eating him alive ain't nothing. Ain't nothing. What they gonna eat next? What we gonna feed him next? Scorpion to ranch. I want something to get busy with. I'm gonna get his weight up though first. So try to show him something bigger prey.
This nigga done put a pile in my bedroom.
Ain't that joint, man. You crazy. I will put him outside tonight. Where do I? It's some time. Yeah. My bad, y'all. It's still moving.
You gotta go catch some fire ants.
Shit.
Since you want to catch some shit. So
that's what tore me up out there. I saw fire ant. Okay.
You ain't catching no rat ants. You catching no weak ass little itty bitty ants.
See, he's still fighting. Look, it's a rat, buddy.
They're the big ones, the rat ants.
And God say hi. And they shook pirate.
But the praying mantis didn't even try to eat the Egyptian beetle, did it?
Nah.
They live together coherently.
He hid from that motherfucker. He was like, I'm gone.
Can he eat the beetle?
Shit, well, hell yeah. I'm hoping he didn't, though. Yeah, it was a rare beetle, though. Hercules beetle. All right, baby. You all right? Yeah.
So I can lock it up the handle.
Yeah, he's still moving. Okay, let me see what's going to happen. I don't know. I'm going to tape him, man.